In this video, I'm going to show you how to add hair on FaceTune. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the FaceTune application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you log in, you will end up on this home page. Now, in order to add hairs to your desired picture, just go ahead and tap on the galleries icon to add a picture from your galleries. This icon is at the top left corner. Once you tap on this, you will be able to select your desired picture. Just go ahead and select your photo and you will be taken to the edit menu. Now, there are various features to edit that are all located at the bottom section. You can simply scroll over to the right and you will find more options. Just scroll over and you will find the hair option. Tap on it and now this will automatically detect the face of the person in the photograph. Now, if your character doesn't have a hair, you can select the apply feature first. Now just go ahead and select your desired hair. You can select your desired hair and then adjust the slider and tap on the apply button to apply your desired hair. Now you can simply use the brush to paint over with the desired hair. Once you are done, you can simply tap on the download button at the top right corner to download your image. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add hair to your pictures on FaceTune. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.